children, welcome back to our English class. In this class, we are going to learn about singular and plural. Okay, today we are going to learn about singular and plural. Okay, here you just see the picture. Okay, you just draw it in the board. You just see. Here, how many picture you can see? Only one picture you can see. Okay. If the thing or person referring only one, that is singular. If the person or thing referring only one, that is singular. Okay. So here it is. We can see only one flower. So it is singular. Am I right? It is singular. That is flower. Only one flower we can see. So we have to write as flower. Here you just see how many flowers you can see here. There are 3 flowers. Am I right? So here we can see only one flower. Here we can see 3 flowers. Okay, that is plural. Okay. So here this is plural and then we have to write it as flowers. Because why I am adding s in the sense? Because it is in plural form. Okay. Because we are seeing 3 flowers. 1, 2, 3. Okay. We can see 3 flowers. So we have to write as s by adding s. Because it refers the plural form. It refers the plural form. Okay. Are you clear? Again I am saying, if the thing or person referring only one, that is singular. If the thing or person referring more than one, that is plural form. Okay. When we talk about people, place and things, we also talk about the number. Okay. We can also talk about their number. How many people we saw, like that we just talk about the number. Okay. That's the thing. When we talk about the number, that is singular and plural. Okay. If it is 1, that is singular. If it is more than 1, that is plural. Are you clear with this? This is the general one. If it is referring only one, that is singular. If it is referring more than one, that is plural form. Whether may be a person, thing or animal, anything else. Okay. If it is refer only one, that is singular. If it is refer more than one, that is plural form. Okay. This is the general which you studied in grade 1 itself. The same thing they mentioned, but with some rules they mentioned. Okay. Let us learn that what are the rules. Okay. We have to add es to change the singular noun into plural. Okay. We have to add es to change these singular nouns into plural. You know that what is mean by noun. I'm right. What does mean by noun? It's a name of the person, place, animal or thing. That is noun. Okay. It's a name of the person, place, things, animals. That is noun. Okay. I'm right. So in that we add es to change the singular noun into plural noun. We have to add es in singular noun into plural noun. While converting into plural form, we have to add es. Okay, we have to add es. In the singular form, there is no es, but while converting into plural form, we have to add es. Okay. For example, if you take here I write glass. Okay, glass. We have to add es. I told you that we have to add es. Glasses. Like this we have to write. Okay. For what are the cases we have to write like this in the sense for s? The noun ends with s. Okay. The noun ends with s. The noun ends with, you just see, yes. Okay. First one is s. Okay. The nouns ends with s. First one is the noun ends with s. Z, X, Z, X, C, H. Okay. S, Z, CH, SH, SS, okay, X also, SS. Okay, these are the nouns. The noun ends with these letters. Okay, these letters we have to add es. Okay, we have to add es. Again, I am repeating. If the noun ends with s, z, x, sh, ss, ch, sh. I missed. Okay, sh and ch. For these letters, I mean, for the noun ends with these letters, we have to add es. We have to add es. Okay, let us see what are the words. Okay, first if you take the example, I already told you that ss, this ends with ss in singular. This is in singular form, ss. The words ends with ss. Here you just take, okay, ss. While converting into plural form, this is plural form. While converting into plural form, what we have to add? We have to add es. Okay, for ss we have to add es. Okay, for ss we have to add es. Okay, and then for first example, if we take s, okay, for s alone. Okay, I am saying for s alone. If you take bus, here buses. Okay, here yes, the noun ends with s. We have to add es. Okay, and then come to next one. This pronunciation also bus. We have to add buzz-es. Okay, if the noun ends with z, yes or ss, we have to add es. Okay, and come to the next one, sh. Okay, sh in the sense your ch. Okay, I missed ch also. You just write. First one is S, we finished, and Z also we finished, and then SS also we finished, and X, box. We have to add boxes, and fox also if you take fox, foxes. Okay, are you clear? And come to the next one, CH, church if you take. Churches. Bunch, bunches, churches. Okay. And then come to the next one, which is we left. You just see S we finished, and Z also we finished, X also we finished, CH also we finished, and SS, glass. Okay, glasses also we finished, and then SH, dish. If you take dish. SH, okay, dishes. You just write it as dishes. Oh, you clear with this? The noun ends with S, CH, Z, X, SH, SS. You can add ES in plural form. Okay, the ES not in the singular form. The ES we have to add in the plural form. Okay, in singular it is the noun ends with these letters. Okay, these letters, the noun ends with these letters. You have to add ES. Okay, you have to add ES. Don't forget. Okay, what are the letters? You just rewind. S, Z, X, SH, SS, CH. Okay, these are the letters. I mean, these are the letters. I mean, these are the noun. The pronouns ends with these are the letters. Ends with these letters. You have to add ES. Okay, you have to add ES. What are the letters? The nouns ends with these letters. You have to add ES in the plural form. S, Z, X, CH, SS, SH. Okay, are you clear? These are the example. Okay, these are the example. Again, I am repeating. Singular, if it is referring only one, that is singular. If it refers more than one, that is plural form. The noun ends with the letter S, CH, Z, X, SH, SS as well as SH. Okay, the nouns ends with these letters. You have to add ES in the plural form. Okay, fox, F-O-X, you have to add ES. Okay, dish, D-A-S-H, you have to add ES. Dishes in plural form. Wash, W-A-S-H, you have to add es. Okay, and one more important thing, and I mean the second rule. What is the second rule in the sense? Change form of singular to plural by adding es. By adding es. Okay, here also we just saw the by adding the es. This is the one rule, and the noun ends with f or fe. The nouns ends with f or fe. What we have to change in the sense here I write the noun ends with f or fe. Okay, the noun ends with f or fe. What we have to add? Okay, I mean in plural form. What we have to add in the sense ves. Okay, what we have to add? Ves. For these two, we have to add ves. The noun ends with the letter f or fe. We have to add ves. Okay. For example, wolf. WOLF. Okay. In that we have to add vs. Okay. We have to remove that f and then we have to add vs. Okay. Here you just see wolf. Okay. Here you just see how we have to change WOLVS. Okay. Instead of this, but here not the case like that. Okay. We have to add. But here we have to change. Instead of f, we have to give vs. Okay, we have to give vs. We have to remove that f and then we have to give vf. Okay, ves. Okay, and then come to the next one, fe. Okay, here we just saw about f alone. Okay, fe. If you take the example knife. Okay, here. fe. Okay, here you just see the noun ends with fe. How we have to change knives? Instead of fe, instead of, okay, here we just adding es. Okay, the noun ends with the letter s, z, x, ch, ss, sh. We are adding es. But here the nouns ends with f or fe. We have to remove that f as well as fe. We have to add, I mean we have to change as ves. Instead of f and fe, we have to give vs. Okay, here you just see wolf. WOLF. Instead of f, we are giving ves, and here knife. Instead of fe, we are giving ves. Okay, ves. These two rules you have to remember. In grade 2, they mentioned the two rules. Okay, first rule is this one, and second rule is this is. Okay, and one more thing they mentioned in your book, that is the special plural. Okay, this place is special plural. I mean D, ship. Okay, these two things. Okay, it is in the special plural. For the plural also it is like that only. Okay, so that's the thing, important thing, sheep as well as D. Okay, this is the important thing you have to remember. Again I am repeating, singular. What is singular in the sense? It referring only one. Okay, maybe a person or thing, it refers only one. That is singular. Come to the plural part. Plural is nothing but it refers more than one. Okay, maybe a person, place or thing, it refers more than one. Okay, that is the plural. And first rule is, if the word, I mean if the noun ends with, here you just see s, z, x, ch, ss, sh. You just repeat with me, I mean repeat along with me. S, z, x, ch, ss, sh. Okay, for these letters, okay, the nouns ends with these letters, we have to add es. Okay, while converting into plural form. Okay, in singular form, the noun ends with these letters. Okay, while converting into plural form, we have to add es. We have to add es. Okay, we have to add es. Okay, you just see the examples here. Okay, and come to the next rule. What is the second rule in the sense? The noun ends with f or fe. F or fe, we have to add, I mean instead of f and fe, instead, okay, you have to change that. Okay, you have to remove f as well as you have to remove fe. For that, for instead of f and fe, what we have to give? Vs we have to give. Okay, what we have to give? Vs. Here f should be removed and here fe should be removed. Okay, instead of that we have to give Vs. Okay, are you clear? Okay. Okay, I hope you understand so far. If you have any query in this topic, you can ask me. Surely I will make it clear. Thank you so much for your watching.